Hello folks, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about internal range liquidity, a part of internal range liquidity. So this is basically the second part of basic legendary basic. So in the internal range liquidity, I'll talk about rejection block. What is rejection block? How to draw it? How to trade on it? How to enter in rejection block with more confirmations and each and everything. So this is usage JPY in 1 day time frame. So basically, if you are scalpers, if you are intraday trader, if you are day trader, if you are everything, position every single uh, type of trading have to use this 1 day and 4 hour. If you don't use this large time frame, you have should not to be recognized a profitable. Uh, you will not settle in a profitable designations because a lot of difficulties in front of you that will come. So first of all, this was an upside trend. Again, it come down. It's like this. So this is all confirmations that the trend is going to be up. Since this is down, this is all confirmation that trend is going to likely to be go up. Whether it's break market structure, how would we know that the trend is going to be in the upside or the downside? Because of this internal range liquidity. So now we talk about this internal range liquidity. Let me just show you guys. This is the breaker block, whatever you say. This is a breaker block in the same place. Have to do it. Okay, this is a breaker block. Since this is a last candle, I would rather breaker block. Again, this is a fair value gap in that region, and folks, this is like in a demand zone. It's not too much in the demand, but it's a little bit in the demand for that reason. So what is the recent low before this, a recent low before this? This is a recent low. When we go, this is a little bit smaller recent low. So this is a big recent low, which makes fair value gap right there. A high order block. This would not consider too much powerful because they not make too much big like fair value gap. It's not making sense do it that. It's a double fair value gap like this. So this region is more powerful when this candle come in this region, more powerful to go on the upside. But guys, it will never happen because this is if they fails to go in the upside in that region, they could go in this place, that place, because this is a lot of fear will gap. That's why I have to say, guys, you have to trade with the great reward to risk ratio. Your stop will be below, right? This will be your profitability. The reason that you profitability, you have to do your risk higher as possible. How many risks that you want? 1:3:1 reward to risk ratio. Pretty good. So in the same way, this is making like uh sorry, this make like oh my god, sorry, make like a fair value gap in the same zone. fair value gap. There we go. Just for wait for a second. Have to draw that fair value gap. What is the problem with this? Okay, from that low to that high, there's a perfect fair value gap never tested before. So make sure that the valued fair value gap must be unmitigated. What I mean by that? What is meant by mitigated? It means which not touched before. It is not touched before. This candle just a little bit closed this fair value gap, but it's not touched, folks. Once they touch for one time, boom, boom. Let's suppose you miss that move. Let's suppose you miss that move to touch the fair value gap. You can place an OTE entry, but by drawing a fib. This is what I teach you in the institutional level part 1, part 2. You have to watch this. This is the same thing that I have to teach you folks. This is a like I teach you in the previous parts that this order block, have to draw this order block and have to enter in this order block to draw the OTE entry. It's most powerful, folks. This is most powerful. Again, you miss that move. This is a break of structure. This is too much advanced thing. I will not teach in this playlist, but I want you to know you a little bit in this business. In this case, you have to be a little bit active now, right? So this is a breaker block, which breaks by this candle. It's a breaker block, and have to expand this breaker block again. You miss that move, market structure shift again, enter. So the same situation that I told you, but we have to focus in back, on your like this. So as you see, guys, this is the fair value gap in this region. At the same point, this is a breaker block in this region. So a lot of things in this region happened before. So we could not go too much back, folks. Could not go too much back because it would be dangerous for our psychology. I will not talk about psychology in this playlist, but the upcoming video is just for I want to make some playlist about psychology. There's a lot of big courses. I don't want to be uh, like make you tired with this. A lot of concept mixed in your mind. So basically, we know that the trend is going to be now in the upside. So whether it's go to the downside, but it is okay. It's just make the like the higher low. You just make the higher low, and then it will make again go into the upside. So since this is as I teach you before, this is like the downtrend, short-term downtrend. It's not too much big because it is just for 3 days, but I would say that for 3 days is big, making a lot big candles. This opposite trend is most powerful than this because it's not making fair value gap anything else a strong order block. This is not too much strong order block. This is too much strong order block, folks. So what can I do, Ibrar? What can I do is to enter in that case. Once you enter, especially what I would not enter in that region, especially not enter, folks. Why? Because I enter by something like most confirmation, and to trade with a high reward to risk ratio, I take legendary trades. What I mean by this, legendary trades is like 20 is to 1, 50 is to 1. I like this. This is my goal. This is my property. I don't want too much big stop loss like this. I want confirmations. I want to reduce my stop just there, and I have to enter in that region, because this is like uh, in that region I have to enter. My stop will be not below this, but below this. Not too much down. I have to take small stops with a big reward. This is the case that I will be profitable when a lot of trading trades will be loose. I profitable when 20 trades loses, but one trade is profitable. I am still profitable. There we go. Everyone want to subscribe me at that moment, but I'll not do for too much like too much big talking about you. But anyway, I have to enter that region because of this is a rejection block, as I told you before. This is a rejection block one. Okay, now we confirm that it is going to the upside, and again when they go down it will take that. We have to confirm in this position, right? We have to. Okay, what is the reason that I can't pick it? Okay, my mouse a little bit. Okay, come on folks, I don't want to waste your time. I really don't want to waste your time, but so there we go. This is a rejection block. I have to do it more small as possible. We know that the upside trend. We have to confirm we confirm the folks. Come on, in this block, in this fairly gap, to this high, that the trend will go in the upside. When the trend is going to the upside, they will make the higher low, folks. They will make. There's low chances to not make, but I promise you that it makes. When there's some block, it acts like a magnet. Okay, I'll show you in a 4 hour. Just okay, too much tiring that moment. In a 4 hour, let's go into the 4 hour. There we go. Where are you? Oh my god, what the hell is doing? What the hell? Okay, I I think in this position, in the in this position, there will be. What is the? I know you every time this uh terminals a little bit upset me. It makes me a little bit upset because yes, this is what I want. Okay, I'll wait. This is I'm not sponsored this terminal, but a lot of thing in this uh, go charting is free instead of trading view. I will not use trading view. Okay. Okay, this is a 4 minute. The same condition was in the 1 day. So now our rejection block is too much small as possible in 4 hour. One day in 4 hour, that's it, folks. Would not be entering too much like in a 1 hour, in a 3:30 hour, in okay, would not be like enter too much like more small as possible over blocks. Its validity only in 1 hour, sorry, in 1 day and 4 hour. Okay, so now in 4 hour I have to try to more small as possible. What I specially do is I'm gonna tell you that what I specially do is in that case, what I specially do is when they close into that moment, I want to take 3 entries before they touch, because when they touch before, a lot of trades like that, when they before that touch it goes down because this level would be too much strong. They didn't touch and go to the upside. So in that case, I often take 2 to 3 trades into the upside before they touch. When they touch, I will take like something like more, but not too much. You know, I'm a little bit crazy. But the worst thing that I have to tell you, that the worst thing is I I never ever take even a single entry in 2025. There we go. A lot of traders want you to unsubscribe me, but this is what I have to do with no knowledge, with no. I want to know about every single knowledge about trading. Since I know about that, I'll be trading. So guys, when they touch, it will often go in the upside. So the first video of this playlist was too much short because I just want to introduce this about this video. So this is continuously the upside trend, folks. This is continuously in the upside. A lot of traders will like do draw the fib into this height, that to the this height, that low, and to close their entry with this. But what I will do, especially I will enter in a 1 day and to do more specific entries as possible when they like uh, go down, and like this again makes like break the market structure, but it's not too much like market structure would break. I would use Fibonacci at that moment. When they don't reject something like this, it means the trend is more likely to go on the upside. So the trend will more likely go to the upside, since I leave that trade to go into the upside to 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 do more profit. A lot of scalper brokers is not allow your trade to uh, mm, be in the to trade. When you place the trade, it will not, you cannot hold on the trade in 1 week, in 1 month, cannot hold it. But I especially use the broker, which is I use in MT5, which is Xness. I not sponsored Xness because I don't like the local brokers. I want to trade in a force.com, but it's not, its validity is not open in my country, so I'll not use. So this was the rejection block that I tell you this video. So this video is too much long. By the way, I create my this channel is, I know you, this channel is not too much views, not too much subscribers, but the upcoming days, this is for future, folks. This is for future. Will not say that I will upload video when I woke up. The subscribers are up big in just one day. I will not do it, folks. I'm not too much. I'm not the CEO of YouTube, so basically this was a rejection block in the upcoming video. But liquidity is too much important. This is a part of internal range liquidity. So you have to find the equal highs and the equal lows. As I told you, you have to find the retails like trend line, retail's trend line. So folks, this was the retail trend line when they like let me draw the retail's trend line. So what they think, folks, what they think, retail's thinking is, I have to tell you that this is the stops of retails, folks. What they think is they make a retail, they make a like a trend line in this position. When they come again, a lot of traders will enter in the one in 4 hour, a lot of traders in a 1 hour. When they enter in that resistance, retail resistance, there is their stops happened in this point. So this is the market do every single day, every single hour, every single week, in every single time frame. So when they take their stops, okay, now the way is clear to be going the upside and take it again into this order block. Folks, retails never know about order blocks, breaker blocks, mitigation blocks, turtle soup. You don't know about turtle soup? I will tell you in the upcoming video. So, oh my god, this video is too much long. The first video was too much short, but I just want to introduce in the first video. So this is the real trading. This is the goal. This is what the 4 playlist in the 5 playlist of Michael, when he says, this is what I teach you in just one video, guys. I don't want you to waste your time. I just want you to focus on this, my friend. You have to focus on this. I know you don't have time to watch Michael Harrelson. You know you have a problem with my English, but you can do it. You can face it. If you cannot, it will not be happen that you watch ICT playlist, Chris Larry playlist, David Powell playlist. David Powell, the great psychologist. Every single thing that I will learn. This is the reason that I name my channel. Like ICT name is too much big name. The inner circle trader. I name it. The dream trader combination. Oh my god, too much big name. The dream. Why? My friend suggest me before the restaurant man I came. My friend suggest me will be a car showroom which named by like a dream showroom. But since that I have to in my mind that I will create something like in YouTube channel which named the dream trader. But when I search for the dream trader, a lot of traders already create their channels. But what I do, the combinations is like the word, a lot of like great traders, their knowledge, a lot of great books, and their combinations to to teach you in a very specific time, which don't waste your time. So this was an introduction of this. Since I don't introduce this uh, playlist in the first video, that I did in the second. So I will be upload something like turtle soup, fair value gap. I know I teach the fair value gap in the first episode. Okay, so isn't everything about inverted fair value gap. I'm sorry, I don't tell about inverted fair value gap. What is it? Why the order block has been breaker block? Why the fair value gap is break to the inverted fair value gap? What is the reason that when the market is like this is like I have to tell you this. This is, let's say this is order block. So when they break it, this is now breaker block. This order block, when they break, this is now breaker block. So why the reason, what is the reason that this is gonna be the breaker block? Each and everything I will tell you. So from now, take care of yourself. I'll be back soon with a new boosted video like turtle soup in the third episode. So take care of yourself and bye bye.